Hey everyone! Welcome back to Navya's world. Today, we're mesmerized by the beauty of one of nature's most stunning birds, the peacock. Look at those vibrant feathers. Peacocks are famous for their dazzling display, which they use to attract mates and ward off predators. Did you know peacocks are actually a type of pheasant? Their scientific name is Pavo cristatus, and they're native to India and Sri Lanka. Peacocks are not just about looks. They have a loud, distinctive call that can be heard across long distances. It's a way for them to communicate with each other. Here we have the peahen. Unlike the peacock, the peahen's feathers are more subdued, but she's equally fascinating. Peacocks use their stunning feathers and unique calls to court peahens. This intricate dance is a key part of their mating ritual. Listen to that call. Peacocks have a loud, distinctive call that can be heard across long distances, helping them communicate with each other. Both peacocks and peahens are omnivores. They feed on insects, plants, and small creatures, playing an important role in their ecosystem. In many cultures, peacocks are a symbol of beauty, grace, and immortality. They play a significant role in art, mythology, and folklore. Isn't the peacock simply amazing? If you enjoyed this close encounter with one of nature's wonders, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife adventures.